I'm Sarah Burke, the principal at Hillfield Elementary. Today we're celebrating our military children. We've invited our community into our building, and each of our grades are presenting a poem or a writing and then singing a song. After the performance, parents follow their student to the classroom and spend time with their child in the classroom completing a military child themed activity, and each grade has a different activity going on. Parents can also take their child to the book fair and browse the book fair together before the event ends.
I think that celebrating the military child is very important because resiliency is going to come into play. So to have children from many different backgrounds but be united by being in the military from their parents is something that's very important, because it's something that they can share together, and knowing that they're always traveling, they're always on the go, but they know that places like Hillfield Elementary, as well as their community, is there to support them for anything that they need. So that's very important.
It's fantastic seeing the hard work that the kids put in to specifically kind of honor their military roots and to honor the military in attendance. And there's not many dry eyes in the room when you've got your kids up there that have worked really hard to prepare for these really beautiful songs and these really beautiful presentations. And our experience with Hillfield the last 3 years has been great. They have predominantly military children, and they know it. They really do care. A lot of the teachers are associated with the military, and so they really get it. It's very comforting as a parent to know that they care, and I just love being a part of the family here.
Hillfield Elementary backs right up to Hill Air Force Base, and students on Hill Air Force Base are served by our school, and we have an Anchored for Life program, which is a peer-to-peer student program for military students, where our students will give them a tour, they get to know somebody. We also have our military support team who supports us in this school, and they support us with military educational therapists and a military family advocate. And having all of our counseling supports within our building is a huge support to our families, especially during a time of increased deployment or even reintegration. I hope our students and our parents and families know how much we care for them and how grateful we are for the service that they make for us, and I hope they feel that gratitude from us.